Hello everyone, this is Matthew from I Love Free Software TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom Instagram story stickers on Android phone. To do that, I'm gonna use an app named AnySticker. This is a free app, which you can download from Google Play Store. You can find a link to this app in the description of this video. Once installed, open this app. You will see an option to create sticker. Tap on that button. Then you can write custom text to create a sticker. It lets you write up to 20 characters. You can change the theme of your sticker with 4 different colors. This app also provides 30 symbols. Once you are done with the sticker customization, you can tap on Create Sticker. Thereafter, you can add a background with any picture or video. To do so, tap on Select Image. After that, you are ready to share the customized sticker in your Instagram story. You can also save the sticker in your gallery or post directly by tapping on Add to the Instagram story. Now, you can drag the sticker anywhere and share it on the Instagram story. So, this is how you can easily create custom Instagram story stickers. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up below and remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos.